Today I will be gathering all my materials and I will be building a blacksmith book nook. It all started when my brother challenged me to build a book nook worthy of a blacksmith shop. I knew that to complete this challenge I would need to do some research and build a plan. I started by cutting out the floor, ceiling, and walls as the frame for the book nook. I cut stone patterns into the foam, and using the heat gun I really brought out those details. I cut some popsicle sticks to size, and using my X-Acto knife I created some wood grain. These will go on the ceiling as wood beams. With all the pieces constructed, it's time to paint. As I've done in many other projects, I've used water, toilet paper, and Mod Podge to create a stone pattern on the walls and floor. I brush everything lightly with white to bring out that stone texture. Now it's time for me to turn my attention over to the walls. I need to add a bit more accenting and add some objects befitting a blacksmith. And of course, a blacksmith cannot be complete without their forge. I cut out some bricks and placed them one by one. When adding Mod Podge to the windows, I had to make sure that light could still get through because I was planning to put some LED lights behind them. Taking the Sculpey, I created some tools befitting a blacksmith. In the midst of this project, I went to go visit some family, and thinking that I might have a spare moment or two, I brought it with me and proceeded to lose half of it. So now I have to go back and rebuild a bunch of it. I recently uncovered my Dremel, which has made it super easy to drill things and to sand things. It just really expedites the process. When I first attempted to build the bellows, I made it fully out of Sculpey. Didn't really like it that much. So going around and doing it the second time, I really wanted to add those wood frames, and I think it ends up looking really, really good. Speaking of tools, I found this engraving pen at the dollar store, and I've used it for every project. This desk clamp might just be my favorite thing that I built. I knew that I was going to put some twinkle lights in the windows, but I also needed something to go in the center of the room to light the rest of it. Designing this light definitely took me a couple tries. After already problem solving the first time, I knew exactly what I was doing, so pretty much smooth sailing, but I really liked the result. I also designed some Blacksmith Guild banners to go on the wall. I imagine that this blacksmith is a part of like an ironworkers guild. It was now time to bring everything together. Now that it's finished, I can finally show you the final result.